Hello my beautiful people, welcome back to a very warm, beautiful night in Los Angeles. HOA and I just did a pour. We had a camera malfunction and we're getting bugs in everything, which is why I sound a little bit irritated. So, this is not my favorite, so we're gonna pour it again. This is a 24 by 30 inch gallery wrap canvas. I just did a wandering ring pour across here and it blended a lot because I did a layered cup instead of a split cup. So I thought this would actually be a really good opportunity to show you guys the difference between what happens with a split cup versus a layered cup. You see all the blending in this HOA. You can ignore the bugs. Alright. And then...
It's a very buggy night.
Yes, it is a very buggy night. Because it's warm, that's why. Alright. So, I'm going to just show you my colors while I layer the cup. Because it's a very pretty palette. So, first color we're using is this beautiful color that started out as Prussian blue, but I kind of wanted a Payne's gray, so I added a little bit of black to it. And now it's a nice deep Prussian blue. We also have some Amsterdam pearl yellow here. The blue was Amsterdam also. This one is Artists Loft Metallic Cobalt Blue, which I love. Such a beautiful color. And this one is Amsterdam Titanium White, plus a bug or two. And this one is Pebeo Studios Opaque Primary Yellow. Okay. Oh my god, look at this. In like 30 seconds. It's ridiculous. Go away, bugs! Don't want you here. No organic embellishments tonight, please. Okay, push that out of the way for us. Okay, let's layer our cup real quick. I'm gonna put some of the Payne's gray color on the end. And then we're gonna come in with the pearl yellow next to that. And we're gonna use our metallic cobalt blue in the center chamber. So this is my friend Fiona's modular split cup that you can find at fluid-art.co. It's awesome because these dividers are actually removable and you can change it to any configuration you like. So right now I have 5 dividers in there and I have 6 spaces, but I have 5 colors. So we're going to actually stack some of the white and the Paynes together in that chamber. Those look really cool. Okay. A big tub of titanium white here to use as a base coat, which we definitely need now because of all these darned bugs. Wow, it's crazy. Okay, so we're gonna pour a runway right here in the center because I want to be able to cover up what's up here on top. Okay, alright, we're gonna start over here where this giant bubble was. Are you ready, husband of awesomeness?
Yes, my love. Je suis prête.
Here we go. So we're gonna do a wandering ring pour across here. Very good. I'm much happier with that already because as you can see it's not nearly as blended as it was in the first pour. I'm just going to go around this a little bit. Oh my god, that's a mosquito. You can die. Okay, let's tilt this up. Turn it around and go off this edge first. I'm gonna get that bug off of there. Here we go. Go off of there. you are. Bring this back to the center. I do have more of the white base coat, but we're just going to get that off first. But all right. You can see it pushing that first layer off, which is perfect. That's just what we want. Okay. Let's do it. Okay, that's cool. I like that. Do you think we should take some of that wiggly bit off the edge?
I do. Gosh, I love the gradations between the colors.
Really cool, huh? And that Payne's gray is mixing with the pearl yellow in there, and that's giving us that like gunmetal kind of color, which is really pretty. Okay, shoot it quick because I want to go put it in there before 50 things land in it.
I was about to suggest that.
I'm going to torch this one more time. So,
Do the outro.
okay, so this was our example of the differences between using a split cup and the individuality of each color versus using a layered cup with a blended result like I had on here when we first started. So, in the hopes of not getting 7,000 bugs in this painting, I'm going to turn the lights off. But we'll be back with dried results in just a second. Thanks so much for being here tonight with us. Okay, so here we are the next day. Not completely dry, but it's getting there. This one actually turned out really cool, especially given all of the little bug problems that we had. Kind of driving me crazy. I apologize for that. But let's take a look at this because there's some neat stuff going on. This part in here, you really, really love. Where we see the metallic cobalt and that darker blue, the Prussian Payne's color, and the yellow in there, just these beautiful layers. And then you can see over here, this part that looks kind of brownish in this light is actually the pearl yellow blending with that Payne's gray color. Kind of a really cool gunmetal gray in the light. So this one turned out neat. I really love this part where everything's like stretched out and opened up and you see all those layers on top of each other. Pretty cool stuff. Some cells. I do see one bug, 2 bugs. Jeez Louise, that was pretty crazy. Anyways, this one's pretty cool. It's not completely dry yet, but I will show you completely dry in the end of the next video. So thanks so much for being here with us. Sorry this is a little Frankenstein, you know, sometimes we have camera malfunctions, but we keep on going, right? Anyways, thank you so much for being here. I hope you guys have a wonderful, wonderful weekend. Happy Mother's Day to you all. And we'll see you real soon. Bye-bye.